Hi there, it's Renee Rushton from reneerushton.com. What is a CTA? A call to action. What does that mean? It is a button, usually red, orange, gets people's attention. It is a button, usually in the form of a verb, to get somebody to take an action and do something. Subscribe, learn more, click here. So it's basically a button just to get somebody, it's calling somebody to take an action and do something. And if they take the action, they may get a free report, they'll get a free video, there might be a lead magnet, whatever. So basically to get somebody to do something, take an action. So Renee Rushton from reneerushton.com. If you're not subscribed to my new YouTube channel, click the red button that says subscribe. That's a call to action. And leave me a comment and like the video. Thank you. Have a great day. See you on the next video.